A relationship with God involves thinking, praying. It involves responding emotionally to God's love, which means you got to focus on His love and then open up your life and allow His love to come into you. Jesus insisted that spirituality is not highly impractical, it's highly practical. Because Jesus Christ wants to be Lord of every area of your life and my life. He wants to lead us into the purpose for which He gave you all the beautiful gifts He's given you. Have you put your faith in Christ? You can do that very simply but very profoundly by asking Him to forgive you for the wrong that you've done, for selective laziness, for wasting the gifts He's given you. Ask Him to forgive you. Put your faith in Him, that He bled and died on a cross to pay the penalty for your wrongdoing,